Hi, welcome to Local Flavor. I'm Deborah Anderson and I'm here in Moreland at Ant Base Community Kitchen, and today we're making lemon scallopini chicken. And this is something that I got an opportunity to go to Washington, D.C. this summer for training, and our trainers took us to a place called Carmine's, and this was one of the dishes that they had at Carmine's and I loved it, so I went to try to make it myself. So I'm cutting the chicken breast in half, and then I'm gonna put lemon juice on it. So the juice of half a lemon. If it looks like it's not enough, I got more lemons. That's probably pretty good. I went old school on this. So I'm gonna get lemon all over the chicken, and then I'm going to season it with garlic salt and pepper. And I'm dredging it in some flour so that it can be a little coated. It's nice that way. Now this is my skillet. Has a tablespoon of butter melted in it and 2 tablespoons of oil. And I had it super hot, then I moved it off, so now I feel it's not hot enough. I loved it. I loved it, loved it. So we'll cook the chicken and then we'll make a sauce right in the same pan. I don't like all this stuff on here. You get lemoned up. I'm gonna have to wash all these things. And we'll fry these about 5 minutes on each side. So I'll get ready for the sauce while they're frying. Oh, that is so disgusting. Okay. There's only about 4 tablespoons of flour here. So, and we're only going to make 4. I hate to waste any lemon juice because I love lemon. Anyway, Carmine's has been there forever. It's in downtown DC. If you ever get a chance to go, I didn't think it would. I thought I've seen cities before, but it's remarkable to be able to see all the monuments and things that feel like they're not really from this world, all within your eyesight. Ew. So we're only going to use 2 chicken breasts, but I cut them into 4 pieces. And now I'm going to cut up my onion for the sauce. I'm moving those to the middle so I can cover them up. I feel like they cook better that way. Oh, do you know I touched the side? I did. So let me get a new knife. The sauce is going to have, we're going to saute garlic and onion in the butter that's left after the chicken. So I need about a medium-sized onion. This was a pretty large one, so I'm using just part of it. And I think that will be plenty of onion. I will tell you, it was so thrilling. Also, I had never used a subway system before. It was kind of thrilling to figure out how to navigate through town on it. My sister went with, and she never could figure out what direction she was going. But I'm going to give her a map of the subway for Christmas. Don't tell her. Anyway, I thought this was pretty amazing at Carmine's. I don't think mine will be that good. I'm going to turn it up a teeny bit. Yeah, that one is not cooked. I have to put it a little longer. I think I can to speed stuff up though. I might just put these along the side. Also, I need room. And I'll press about 2 cloves of garlic. Enough to make about 2 tablespoons. That might take 3 or 4 depending on how big our cloves are. This is a lot of onion, I think. Anyway, I was sitting there in Carmine's, of course, thinking of Laverne and Shirley. And it was not spelled the way I thought it would be. It was just like mines, like a mine. I thought it would be like E-I, no. E-I, no. So what else am I going to need? I'm going to need chicken broth. So I have my stock like I usually do. I'm going to need some half and half or cooking cream if you can get that. I have the cornstarch just in case. I want the sauce to thicken a little, but if we have a little trouble, we can help it along with that. Then some seasonings will go in at the end. This will take a few minutes to cook down, so if you want to take a quick break, I'll just keep working here, but you take a quick break and I'll clean up a little bit and let those cook down.
Trust Rogers & Associates Insurance to keep your peace of mind through all the seasons in life. Whether you're cozy at home memory making with your family, on an outdoor adventure with the top down, floating on a boat, or in the middle of harvest, we can customize an insurance plan that's perfect for you. For all the seasons, we've got you covered. Call us or visit us online to learn more today.
At Nex-Tech Wireless, we are here to help you anytime in any way that we can.
I broke my phone.
Oh.
I don't know what to do.
Luckily, you're covered by Phone Guard. We can get you a new phone today.
Hey, is this tracking my workout?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks, buddy. Oh.
Switch to us and get a $100 Visa gift card and half off any smartphone.
Hey, how do I get signal in my basement?
Turn on the settings for calls over Wi-Fi.
Nex-Tech Wireless. Time for something different.
Good night, Jerry.
What a girl wants in her home kitchen. Ease of use, flexibility, fun, the latest kitchen design, Frigidaire Professional Real Stainless Steel for fewer finger smudges, a French door refrigerator, convection cooking, and quiet dishwasher. Have the staff at Genuine Appliance in Hayes demonstrate new Frigidaire gallery appliances to find what you want. Genuine Appliance at 1224 East 27th Street in Hayes. Everything a girl wants.
The team at Homestead Assisted Living is a proud supporter of the Hayes community. Located just west of the Sternberg Natural History Museum, Homestead is a warm and welcoming community where residents receive compassionate care from licensed professionals. If you're curious about senior living options for yourself or a loved one, make Homestead your first call. Our kind and courteous staff would love to show you around and answer any questions you may have. Call us today to schedule a tour of Homestead or visit us online at homesteadofhayes.com.
Welcome back. What I have done while you were away is I finished browning the chicken and I took it out and put it on a plate, and I've got my onions and garlic going right now. I have one more piece of garlic to put in. I ended up putting 6 cloves, so it looked like it was about 2 tablespoons. So this is my last one. And this would usually need to cook down, about 3 minutes to get translucent. The onions got a head start since I kind of warmed them up on the lid. And then after that, I'm just going to add some chicken broth, and it will need to simmer for about 6 minutes to try and cook down some of the broth and get the flavor in here. So let's do that now. Hopefully that garlic is done enough. I found that onion I need to cut more. Okay. So I need about 1.25 cups of broth. So you know I just use water in my stock mix. I got some nice caramelization on those onions. So I'll just put in a little bit of stock, get that stirring. I'm going to leave it on low. I had it on medium or high to cook the chicken, and I reduced the heat to low for the simmering. I'm going to use the whisk just to make sure that gets incorporated in. Okay, let's take another quick break and let this simmer for about 6 minutes. Then we'll come back and put the cream in and simmer some more. But at that time, I'm going to add some zucchini, I thought it'd be good in this sauce, don't you think? Let's give it a try. See you in a bit.
Kansas weather can be brutal on your home's exterior. A dry and watertight roof performance is a result of choosing the right contractor. At AquaShield Roofing and Construction, we use the most up-to-date products and efficient technology. We offer quality services, professional installation, and unmatched warranties, adding value to your home and providing years of trouble-free protection. Call AquaShield Roofing and Construction for a free estimate today.
High Plains Podiatry, the team's greatest joy is seeing you doing what you love to do. Dr. Rob Hens addresses all problems of the foot and ankle with leading-edge capabilities. They travel extensively, serving in satellite clinics near you. Their growth in southwest Nebraska is a direct result of the caring and personal treatment they give their patients. Let High Plains Podiatry bring the pep back in your step. Now seeing patients in Norton and Colby, Kansas. Call today, 877-345-3668.
What is one of the most wonderful and dangerous inventions of modern business? The internet. Your technology can be a peeper into your private life. It knows the names of your customers, your employees, and when you made your last deposit. That info can end up on the dark web. Don't let that happen to you. Call Nex-Tech at 1-800-588-6649 and request a free dark web scan. Better to know now than dealing with creepers later. Storage Solutions is now offering premier portable buildings built locally in Greensburg and made to withstand the Kansas weather. These unique buildings can be more than just a storage shed and are as large as 16 by 40 feet. Their 30-year warranty offers flooring and walls that won't rot, splinter, or crack and are finished with a urethane paint. Multiple purchasing options are available. Visit Storage Solutions of Hayes to view models or go online to customize your building today.
Hey Nex-Tech customers, would you like a chance to win free service on your Nex-Tech bill? Well, here's your chance. On the first and third Sunday of every month, tune in to Nex-Tech Local 1 at 6 p.m. and play along with Nex-Tech Sunday Fun Day Bingo. If you miss an episode, don't worry about it. It'll replay every night at 6 p.m. Use your cards included with your Nex-Tech bill or print your own at nextech.com/bingo. Nex-Tech Sunday Fun Day Bingo is brought to you by these awesome sponsors.
Welcome back to Local Flavor. What we did over the break was we let the broth simmer for about 6 minutes. Then I put in some cream and I let it simmer about 5 minutes. And at the same time I put in the cream, I went ahead and put in zucchini. You can eat this over noodles or something. And I was at Olive Garden the other day and my friend Teresa got zucchini spaghetti and it looked amazing. So I said, well, I want to try some zucchini in it. And I asked Doyle to cut me up some zucchini spaghetti, but he kind of made tater twisters. So that's what we get. So I just put in about 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. We'll let that simmer in for about a minute. And then to end it, I'll put in a couple tablespoons of Italian seasoning. Now, I could do Italian seasoning or I could do basil and oregano, but I kind of like these Little Caesars Italian seasonings. And I'm gonna put the chicken back in to get hot again. I'll just use this plate. The chicken looks a little, I don't know, it didn't handle it too well. It looks a little beaten up. And I want to serve some garnish of lemon on it. I should probably turn it off. It's probably been cooking enough. I chose not to thicken up the sauce because of the zucchini. I really wanted it to have enough to cover the zucchini pretty well. So there's that, and I'm going to put some parsley on to decorate too. Now I'll give myself a little, where's that little nice one? This one. A little bit of chicken, a little bit of zucchini. I'm actually really, look at those, they are kind of pretty, aren't they? He did good. Well, I'm gonna get a serving of vegetables, that's for sure. And I'll grab me a plate, you know what I mean, a fork. We'll see if it tastes like Carmine's, but my hopes are not very high because Carmine's was amazing. It's got the same nice bright lemon flavor. That's really good. Now, I have not on purpose ever had zucchini noodles, so we'll see how that turned out. They sure were pretty when they were spiraled out. Those have had time to cook into the sauce, and that is amazing. Well, this sounds like one I would make again. I hope you give it a try, and I hope you'll join us next time on Local Flavor.